Hey everybody, Terry Weigel, the Quick House Buyer here with a pretty cool little lesson for you today. I'm going to introduce you to a site and it's at web2bookmarking.com. Web2bookmarking.com. It's the number 2. What makes this page very important is they've pulled together some of the most important bookmarking sites that you have out there that drive all important backlinks to your website. And I'll explain the importance of that in a minute. But they pull them all together in one little place, and basically you enter your page title and you enter your URL. So if you've ever had difficulty getting one of your houses or getting your services or getting your product found on the internet, here's one of the easiest ways to do it. Okay, for this purpose, we're going to show you a website that we have here where we have a Highland Creek property where it's a takeover payment owner financing. And what we're going to do is we're going to capture this entire web URL, the entire web page for this specific post. Now we're using WordPress, a blog for this website, and hopefully you're using a blog as well because it will be found faster than almost any other site that you can put up. There's so many things you can do with a blog that it's incredible. So what we're doing is we're grabbing this entire URL right here. We're copying it, going over here back to the web booking, and we are putting it here into the URL. As you can see, it's already in there for me. Okay. Next, we're putting some title. What are the major keywords that we want this page to be found for? Okay. In this case, it's a Highland Creek home, the takeover payment, owner will finance type thing. So we're going to put that in there, and then we're going to click to do it. Now what it's going to tell us to do from here is to go through each one of these and then enter the information. You can see I've already clicked on the first one. It's called Delicious. Now you're going to put the URL in here again, and you're going to put the title in here. Okay, again, same thing that we did on the front page. Then the notes, whatever it is you want to describe about the property. In this particular one, you have about 1,000 character tags. Mean the keywords. What would somebody search for in order to find your home, your product, your service, whatever the case may be? Okay. Now, you're going to do this for each one of these sites, and you're probably going, well, Terry, why in the world do I need to do that? Well, you need to look at Google as if they are looking for the most popular people around. In this case, it happens to be websites. They want somebody who's popular. And one of the ways that they judge that is by the quality of what they call backlinks to your website. A backlink means nothing more than there's a site out there that has a link coming to your specific site or your particular specific page, the web URL, kind of like what I grabbed on the other at the beginning of this lesson. What Google wants to see is they want to see links coming in from different sites that shows that your website is popular, and those are called backlinks. So if I put a video up on YouTube and I have it going back to terryweigel.com, that is a backlink. If I have it going to terryweigel.com/lesson/how to talk to motivated sellers.html, that is a specific link to that specific page. And the more links I have coming in, the more, quote, popular my website becomes to Google. And it gets me higher page ranking and gets me found in the search engines a lot quicker. So you want to have quality backlinks coming into your site. And one of the easiest, simplest ways to do that is every time you create a post, you go to the bookmarking site and you click on each one of these and you input your web page URL, the main keywords to what that post happens to pertain to, and you will get backlinks. You'll get quality backlinks going to your site. Your site will become popular. You will be found in the search engines. And if you're not familiar with what these sites are, well, at the end of most blog posts, you'll see something looks kind of like this. that nobody really knows what to do with. Well, these are bookmarks. These are social bookmarks, okay? And for your website, it's very, very important that you bookmark each of your posts so that you get that quality URL. Now, the problem is that web2bookmarking.com is a very, very rock solid website. It just takes a long time to do because you're going step by step by step, and that can get long and time consuming. And we wanted to figure out the best way to make it less time consuming on that. So what we use is SocialBot. Okay, we use SocialBot 4.3, and this automates the process. Now, we still have to create the user ID and password, but once we do, it automates the entire process, and it supports 54 of the social bookmarking, the major bookmarking sites. Because one of the things I noticed here on this site is that some of these links here are out of date, or some of the sites have just disappeared and gone away, and they haven't really updated it. SocialBot updates automatically, and the cool thing about it is that it's also free. They're free upgrades. They're free for life, and you never have to do anything again. There's a great quality support service that goes with it, and it's only $29.95. I mean, it's really, really inexpensive. I bought this, turned it over to my virtual assistant, and every time we do a post on the blog, we are automatically getting updated. We post it into these sites. They update them automatically. There's a lot of other functions that this thing does, but the most important thing for you to remember is that it really makes your site be found, and it makes it very, very popular. Now, how you can get the social bot is just go to SEOcompanyinhouston.com/socialbot. SEOcompanyinhouston.com/socialbot. Whatever you do, just make sure, one, that you're hosting your websites on a blog, two, that you're getting the quality backlinks to your site so that you're easily found, and three, that you're bookmarking each and every one of your posts so that it's found in the search engine, your website becomes popular, and you can take the competition out. This works again on houses for sale, any services that you provide, products that you sell, whatever the case may be. Hope you guys learned something today. This is Terry Weigel, the Quick House Buyer, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.